Hi everyone, my name is Divyansh and today I'm going to be recommending you top 5 best cameras for vlogging that you can definitely check out if you want to make your career in vlogging, and not only career but if you want to do it for fun as well and upload it on YouTube. So here are my top 5 recommendations of the best cameras for vlogging. So, on number one, we have the Fujifilm XS10, which is, mark my words, the best camera out there for vlogging. Not only for vlogging, but for taking clear still pictures as well. And as I said, the best camera out there. But the only demerit is uh, the price. It's really expensive. And for a beginner, I know the amount which you want to spend is limited. So, but if you can, then I would suggest that you should definitely go for this one without any second thoughts. So, let's move on to the second one, the Panasonic Lumix G100. And I believe Panasonic has made this camera considering the needs of the vloggers. If you're looking for something small, light, and handy, I would definitely suggest that you should go for that. And one of the most important benefits is the price. It is a mid-range camera which is very affordable for anyone, especially for the beginners. So I would definitely suggest you to go for this one if you want to start off your career in the field of vlogging. And I honestly believe you should go for this one. So, moving on to the third one. The third one is the Sony A6400. Just by looking at it, we can see that it's quite bulky, and it's definitely not the dream camera for vloggers, but it packs a lot of incredible technology, believe me, especially in the field of autofocus. This is the beast. But I would suggest if you don't worry about the shaky photos or pretty low shutter speed, then you can definitely check out for this. And as a beginner, I don't think it would really matter you that much. So you should check this out probably. Yeah, this is one of the best cameras I can say, but not the best one. Now, moving on to the fourth one, we have the Panasonic Lumix S5 camera. And don't go by the looks. This is really a very appealing camera. The size is decent, it doesn't feel bulky, it fits really great in the hands, and it has the ability to push 60 FPS at 4K. So, if you want to go for something that is really great picture quality, then this is one of the best cameras out there, which you should definitely go for. Again, the only con it has is the pricing. It's really expensive, so if you can manage that, then you can go for this. Now, the fifth and the last camera is the Sony A7C camera. And believe me, this is Sony's smallest and lightest current frame camera which is out there. And believe me, just by the looks, yeah, the looks can be improved, could have been improved. It is quite outdated, but the performance is as good or even better as compared to some of the large Sony cameras. But all you need to know is that it is a little smaller and has a few less buttons compared to other Sony cameras. And again, for Sony, it is quite expensive. So for a beginner, it could create a problem, but if you don't worry about that and the looks, then you can go for this. And so finally, what I believe you should get is the Panasonic Lumix G100 because it's a mid-range camera. Specs are awesome specs, which you should definitely go for if you want to kickstart your career in the field of vlogging. So that's my recommendation. And yeah, that's it for today. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and these were some of the best cameras which you can definitely check out. And don't forget to check out my website, therealworld.in, for more information about these kind of stuff. And yep, so goodbye, take care, see you again.